Mapagpalang araw po. Ako po si Emmanuel Alejandre at ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong March 22. And for today, ating pag-uusapan kung ano ang kahalagahan ng pagiging tao ni Kristo. So, kung ating pong aalalahanin, si Kristo po ay nagkatawang tao. Bumaba dito sa ating lupa upang tayo ay ligtas. So, ano po ba yung kahalagahan noon? Ano yung significance ng kanyang ginawa? Makikita natin ito sa 1 John chapter 4 verse 2 to 3 na nagsasabing, "By this, you know the Spirit of God. Every spirit that confesses that Jesus Christ has come in flesh is from God, and every spirit that does not confess Jesus is not from God. This is the spirit of the Antichrist, which you heard was coming and now is in the world already." Sa Tagalog, ito ang palatandaan ng Espiritu ng Diyos nga ang nasa kanila, kung ipinapahayag nila na si Jesucristo ay dumating bilang tao. Kung hindi gayon ang kanilang ipinapahayag tungkol kay Jesus, hindi mula sa Diyos ang Espiritong nasa kanila. So sinasabi po rito na spirits that deny the fact that Jesus came from God are not spirits from God. No? So, ang espiritu ng kaaway ni Kristo ang nasa kanila. Narinig na ninyong ito'y darating at ngayon nasa sanlibutan na. So, upang ikaw po ay maging considered as spirit that derived from God, you should know and believe in the existence of Jesus Christ. And you should know that Jesus Christ has taken the form of man and decided to live with us. Because Jesus is truly God and truly man. There's no white and black, no? Kumbaga, parehas. Parehas naging tao si Kristo at siya'y parehas ding Diyos. Because Jesus' divinity and humanity secure our salvation. Kumbaga, yung kanyang pagiging Diyos at ang kanyang pagiging tao, they both unify into this sacrifice and effort from Jesus, which is why we are saved. Because Jesus empathizes with and cares for His followers. Yung mga sumusunod po kay Kristo ay kanyang pinapahalagahan, kanyang inaalagaan, kanyang pinayayabong ang buhay. So, believe in the true Christ and the true gospel. Paniwalaan mo po na si Kristo Jesus ay dumating bilang tao at siya at ang kanyang pagiging makadiyos or Diyos ay ang siyang nagpaligtas sa atin. Remember that Jesus understands our pain because He lived it. He Himself has experienced being human. So pour out all your burdens to Jesus. Kasi si Jesus po makapangyarihan siya. He became man for us. He knows our pain and He can deal with it. Yan naman po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.